Management is a multipurpose organ that manages a business. It's responsible for determining, clarifying, and effectuating the purpose and objectives of a particular human group. Peter Ferdinand Drucker, a renowned management consultant, defined management as the process by which the purpose and objectives of a particular human group are determined, clarified, and effectuated. Management is not only about managing the business, but also managing the managers and workers. It's about ensuring that everyone is working towards a common goal. Let's take the example of a football team. The coach is responsible for managing the team, the players, and the support staff. He ensures that everyone is working together to win the game. So, management is critical to the success of any business or organization. It's about ensuring that everyone is working towards a common goal and achieving the desired results. Let's keep that in mind.